In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snapshot on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know how to quickly capture a specific part of a PDF as an image you can paste into documents, slides, or messages. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Any recent version will work for this. Once Acrobat is open, bring up the PDF you want to work on. You can do this from the home screen or by choosing File and then Open and selecting your document. Give the file a moment to load fully and take a quick look at the page you plan to capture so you know exactly what you need. Next, look to the tools on the left side of the screen. You'll see an arrow icon there, which is the selection tool. This is what you'll use to define the area for your snapshot. If your workspace looks a little different, don't worry. Tool layouts can vary by version. The key is to switch to the arrow selection tool so you can click and drag over content. Go ahead and click the arrow icon. Then move your cursor over the PDF and click and drag to draw a rectangle around the part you want to capture. Keep the mouse button held down while you drag and release it when the rectangle covers your target area. Take your time here. The cleaner your selection, the better your snapshot will look. A helpful tip: zoom in before you drag if you need a crisp, high-resolution capture. The snapshot uses what you see on screen, so higher zoom usually means a sharper result. After you make your selection, adjust it as you like. If the rectangle isn't quite right, simply try again. Zoom a little closer, reposition the page if needed, and redraw the selection box until it frames the content perfectly. Aim to leave a small, even margin around text or diagram so nothing gets cut off. Once you've selected the area, Acrobat places that snapshot on your clipboard automatically. From here, you can paste it directly into an email, a slide deck, a document, or an image editor. If you want to save it as a file, paste it into an image tool and save it in your preferred format. Keep in mind that the zoom level you use when selecting will affect the clarity of the pasted image, so increase the zoom if you need a sharper snapshot. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, choose the arrow selection tool, drag to highlight the area you need, adjust until it's perfect, and you're ready to paste and share.